version of Cessna 172 because I just built this. Wait, I kind of built this. Like I just made a version of that one. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. So let's get started on the tutorial. So let's take some wool. Let me just place it down right there, and then get rid of this. Alright, now, so that might be our, picture like a boat. Right now, alright, let's place a white pole, board stairs, and then, wait, I think this segment is might be, no way is it? Alright, the segment is 9, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 boards, stairs. Let's take a large fence. So place on top of each other. Wait. It might be okay. I think this might be skip 2 blocks. Correct? No. Okay, now. Alright, there it goes. Alright, I'm gonna make a half of the aircraft, so it's pretty symmetrical. Alright, there you go. I'm gonna make it one half of the aircraft. I'm gonna make it one half of the aircraft. You can just do the same thing on the other side. So, what's next? Alright, now. So, okay, the segment is might be. Alright, the segment is 13 blocks long. So wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So it looks like this. And then fill with the rest of these blocks. You can just copy do the same thing on the other one. So let's get started with the tutorial. Fill It might be, I think it's good. Alright, now next is the tail. So let's take a glass plate, place it right here. And take the block. There you go. Or that might be three. So that might be three. 1, 2, 3. Then take a quartz slab. Or there might be black wood blocks too, because that looks like it's like registered plate. So that might be weird. Wait, guys, I should just it's actually nighttime, so wait. Alright, back to the tutorial because I was always sleeping at the night. So alright, let's take quartz slab. Alright, bam. Alright, 2 quartz. I said stairs. Stairs right there. 2 quartz slabs. Bam. Let's take. Or it might be 1 quartz slab and then quartz stairs. Alright, there might be a. Okay, there might be a wool, and then there is another one, maybe tree, and then this one too. One. Alright. No, let me just wait a minute. I'm correct. Or this one is maybe tree on the top. Alright, let's take a. There you go. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. There you go. Alright, now. Oops, wrong button. I mean, wrong block. See. Alright, let me see. Okay, this one's maybe. Okay, I think it's maybe tree on the top. Then there might be stairs. And then there's some blocks. 2 quartz slabs. Bam. Another one. Bam. There you go. Next up, we have to make the stabilizers. So, because the Cessna didn't control it, so wait. Is it going on the top or I think it's going to right beside of the. Okay. So it might be 4. That's the stabilizers. So next up, this segment is might be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oops, wait, guys, I'll count this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11. So it's like actually 11. I think she's recording. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. This one. And this one. Oh my god. Wrong. Or there you go. So that's pretty much it for the one half of the aircraft. Wait. I'll just put a carpet right here, white carpet. So that's pretty much it for the build. And wait a minute, I forgot. Quartz stairs. Alright, bam, quartz slab. Bam, there you go. Alright, I think that's pretty much it for the one half of the aircraft. I I probably though I made a one half the aircraft. You can just do the same thing on the other ones.